Good morning, sis. I thought I'd try and show you something today. At least try, because I've had customers already this morning, so it's kind of hard. What you're looking at right now is cookies and cream truffles. In there is cream cheese and vanilla and another little seasoning, and about 6 packs of Oreos. So now what I have to do is mix it all up, and then I'll show you the balls. Okay, here it is, all mixed up. And then what I do is take a little bit and roll it in a ball. See? Actually, I do it much better, but holding the phone in my hand does not help me roll balls. And then once the balls are rolled, then it gets dipped in white chocolate, which I have melting over here. This is a tempering machine, and it'll melt your chocolate and hold it at a certain temperature for you till you're ready to work with it. Normally I melt it in the microwave, but something is wrong with that white chocolate. This is the last of it, thank goodness. So I have to use that machine because otherwise it's not melting properly. So now I get to wash up, and I'm not going to roll these balls yet because I'm going to work on peanut butter. Here is some vanilla and butter, and I have to stick in the peanut butter yet, and the sugar. After the peanut butter is going to be peppermint patties. You can see I have my peppermint oil out there. I have everything ready to go, so if I don't get a lot of people coming in, I can show you each step. Love you, sis. Okay, sis, I mixed together the stuff for the peppermint patties. It is some evaporated milk, some butter, some vanilla, and peppermint oil. And now I have to mix that up. That's what that looks like. And now we have to add the sugar. This is going to take about 2 pounds of sugar, maybe a little more. And I added the sugar. Now I have to mix it up. This takes a while, so I'll let it go. This is it with about 2 pounds of sugar, and it might take another half pound or so. It all depends on the weather, but this is way too wet to roll into balls, so I'll have to add more sugar, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, sis, this is it when it's done. As you can see, you can roll it into a ball and then smash it into a patty. So this is ready to go, and I'm going to wrap this up like I did the Oreo, and mold it and dip it later. Today is milk chocolate peppermint, although I may do some dark. This may be too much milk. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Now we're on to peanut butter, and there's the butter and the vanilla, and a little bit of salt, and I will be adding the peanut butter, and then we mix it all together with the sugar, and I'll show you that in a couple minutes.